Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add lines. If you want to add lines in Microsoft Excel, you can use the Shape tools. Go to Insert and then click Shapes. Now you can click the line tools. I will create lines, you can click from this point, hold, and then you can move into here. After it, you can release to set the line. You also can set for the shape styles at this point, or you can use the shape outline to change the color. For effect, you can click here, like I will use the shadow, click at this point. So you can create again by clicking insert, shape, use the line tools, click at these points, hold, and you can press shift buttons to create strike lines, release to apply. You can set for the shape styles and the shape effect at this point. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.